Pizza servers, we're getting into our practice. This is where we have a lot of different word problems going on because you're serving a number of different tables. It says, "Dear Luigi's Pizza server, it's time for your first waitressing shift. Please help the tables below. You may be nervous, but your training has prepared you for this job. Make sure to help each customer with anything they may need. Remember, the customer is always right." So, just like before, you don't need to do all of these problems and then check your work after. You can try a problem and then check your work and then maybe try another and check your work. And if you're feeling confident, maybe you try 2 and then check your work. But there's no reason we should ever do like 10 problems and not know if we're doing well or doing them correctly. So go slow and go over some of these problems, and then I'm going to have you check the answers as you go. Don't forget the strategies that I shared with you earlier about highlighting, underlining. That's going to be really important. So I'm going to get my highlighter ready and let's get started. This first one says, at a table, 2 women are eating dinner together. They order a cheese pizza to split, 1 Pepsi, and 1 Sprite. What was their total bill? My highlighter is not working, and so I should have highlighted cheese pizza, maybe with the price, 1 Pepsi with the price, and 1 Sprite with the price. And then I have the word total highlighted. The total bill means that we're going to be adding these things together. And you know when you add up numbers, you're going to be adding them together by lining up your decimals. So make sure to try this problem by starting with lining up your decimals that you have for their bill, so their pizza and their drinks, and then you'll find their total bill. Don't forget, like I said, answer key is in the grid. You can always check your work whenever you're ready before you move on to your next table.